Kikam kaliang persya jong ka Iingdorbar thawan bat ubadairu u MLA ka seng Kongres uba Ronnie V langdo ulaong bagi jinggeno u MLA ka BJP uba Sanbor Sulai persya ya u MP ka Shillong uba Vincent H Pala kilong ki bom shisha ula berabda ka baong sawat mapi kadnosin uba Sanbor Sulai ulawan ha Iingdorbar thawan bat kadnosin ula kren hapoh ka Iingdorbar thawan ya kani uba Ronnie ula kren sakilat patai kubor ha Kongres bahuan ha kesngi balang Shushu ula kedau ba uba pala kumu MP ula le ya kikam kibabun bha bat ulong ru ubri uba jar bat ubam kwa ban pauthan kebalong kikato keni kiriusan berthai Shushu ula berab ba kejingkeno jong uba Sanbor kalong kebam shisha namar umjubut ya kikam kibayat ha parlimen ha keba uba Vincent H Pala MP ke Shillong ula shimbenda hapoh Iingdorbar bat pensengawi kimat kibakta ya kejelah
Sanbor Sulai has attended the assembly. How many times has he spoken in the assembly? Okay. And then regarding Bapala, I think a lot of work has been done by him. You know, he is a very quiet man. He doesn't, seek publicity like some of these politicians. A lot of things he has done for us, and I think a lot of projects that have been undertaken in the state of Meghalaya is due to his effort. And then he has spoken in the parliament, and that we will share it with you later on. But the allegation of Sanbor rings hollow because he himself hardly speaks in the house, hardly attends the house. And I think you're all aware.
This time he has not even once. He didn't come once. Did he?
I don't know whether he came or not. But have you heard him speaking in the house?
Yeah, he came.
Have you heard? Huh?
Yeah. Did he speak anything?
He came, but have you just coming to the house? Huh?
Did he speak
and not saying
anything?
anything? You might as well stay back home, as good as staying back at home. So his allegation rings hollow because maybe he doesn't, follow the proceedings in Parliament, where Mr. Vincent Pala, MP of Shillong Turasit, has, participated in the House to address issues concerning the state of Meghalaya. And then the last 2-3 years, COVID was there. And then a lot of schemes were not released by the government of India. So what do you talk about? For example, Narega. They've slashed the budget for Narega and so many other things. The budget, for rural development has been slashed. So now, just having a meeting with nothing to talk about doesn't make any sense.
I will also clarify on Bapala's parliament performance. We will be soon having a press conference on the performances by the Shillong MP. It is available in the website, parliament website also. He has asked 235 questions in the parliament. And a lot of his work will be demonstrated to the press in a detailed manner in the coming days. That will be a separate one once we are closer to the elections announcements. It will be done there. And I also like to clarify that there were some reports about Bapala today in the newspaper, one of the newspapers. I have personally clarified with Bapala, and whatever statements he has made on India alliances with respect to the statements which has come across, Bapala has done his discussions as a PCC president, in his responsibility as a PCC president, with the concerned leaders of the AICC in Delhi. And only after having that discussions, he has made that statement, and he stands by that statement. So that is a clarification for you issued after talking to the PCC President Bapala on that one.